How to turn off story comments on Facebook.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
First of all, open Facebook application on your device. Tap on this three horizontal line. Then here you can simply switch to your Facebook page from here through shortcut. Okay, so here we are logged into our Facebook page. Then after tap on this three horizontal line again. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down and tap on stories. So tap on messaging option and here you have to simply toggle off this option and disable the option so that people won't be able to comment on your stories. So that's all.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.